Competition manipulation can happen in any sport, in any country. Tanking may seem attractive to gain a competitive advantage, such as facing an easier opponent in the next round. But it's still competition manipulation. Match fixing is where people change how they perform to win a bet. They could bet on losing, and then lose on purpose in order to win the bet. They could bet on a specific occurrence, like who commits the first foul, then make sure it happens to win the bet. If an athlete is persuaded, forced, or bribed to underperform on purpose, this is also competition manipulation. Could you manipulate a competition? Make sure you're aware of the risks and make the right decision, because ignorance is no excuse. Don't bet on your sport. Don't fix and always do your best. Don't share inside information, and always report.